Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to cook penne with jalapeno sausages, kale and mascarpone. It's by Eatstro, who deliver weekly ingredients to us, and it's a service we're testing out at the moment to see if we like it. So we have our chili and jalapeno sausages, we have our kale, we have our pasta, our onion, our mascarpone, our chili to taste, our garlic cloves, which we will certainly be using, and our Parmesan cheese for the penne. And as you can see, it's all ready portioned for 2 people. It has a good amount of calories, 580. It says it takes about 30 minutes to cook, so let's get on. Bring a large pot of water to the boil on high. I'll let it do the needful there. We'll start with the kale. Tear the kale into bite-sized pieces and discard the stems. I have to be honest, this is my first time actually ever cooking with kale, which is part of the reason we're trying out this service, so that we can learn new recipes. And continue with our onion. Okay, and we're going to move on and prepare our chili and jalapeno sausages. Starting to smell nice. But they're not the easiest to slice up. Gee, Mac. I think I've made a strategic error with my board placements. So, moving on to our next step. Medium heat, drizzle of olive oil. As the pan heats up, slice the sausages into bite-sized pieces. Once hot, add the chopped sausage and onion. Cook on medium heat. I think I'm gonna add the garlic here also, just to be on the safe side. Okay, meanwhile add the penne to the pot of boiling water. Cook for 9 to 11 minutes or until the penne is tender with a slight bite. Once done, drain and return to the pot. Okay, and we shall set our timer. 10 minutes. It's nice that you can actually see the jalapeno itself. I could take this opportunity to just refine my bite-sized chunks in the pan. So our sausage and our onions are looking nicely browned through, so we have to put it into a pan temporarily, but leave the pan out. So we shall transition them over here. And to stop them going cold, I'm just going to put them into the microwave, not switched on, just as a nice contained space. Using the reserved pan, heat a drizzle of olive oil. Add the kale and cook on medium heat for 3 to 4 minutes or until wilted. Okay. It just so happens we have 3 minutes left on our penne pasta, so our timings will work out lovely here. Add the garlic, chili flakes, as much as you'd like, depending on how hot you like it. So I'll just put a little bit of the chili in, and as my wife doesn't like it super hot, I do like it super hot, and then I can give myself more chili later. Then ask for 120 milliliters of water, so I can get that pre-measured, and I'm just going to heat it up a bit so that we don't have too much thermal shock in the pan. We're going to add the sausage, onion and 120 milliliters of water to this pan here. So let's give the water in. And we'll return our sausage and onion to the pan. By now our penne is probably done, so we're going to have to drain it and be ready to use it. Once done, drain and return to the pot. Okay, so then we shall do that. Add the kale and sausages to the pot of cooked pasta. Cook on medium for 1 to 2 minutes or until the pasta is coated. Interesting, so we have to keep the heat on here in the pasta. Add the kale, okay. Cook on medium for 1 to 2 minutes or until the pasta is coated. Turn the heat off and add the mascarpone. So I'm not entirely sure what I'm meant to be coating the pasta with, but sure, we'll give it a shot and see what comes out at the far end. I guess folding things in would be a good idea here. To my mind, that seems as cooked as it's going to be. So I think we'll knock this heat off now. Take out our preheated plates, because we aren't peasants. We'll do a bit of seasoning while it's still in this pot. And now it's asking for us to add the mascarpone, so let's do that. I think we will add a tiny bit of water just to moisten it up a bit. For our finishing touch, we'll add some parmesan. Add some chili flakes to one of them in particular. So, initial review is positive. With the mascarpone, it is delicious, and the sausage, I'm reliably informed, is a mix between an Irish and a Polish style sausage. Either way, delicious, well recommended. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.